So if you haven't, oh my god, they're not going to let me to shoot this video. Guys, we are shooting here. Can you stop for a second? All right, what is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So this is going to be part number 3 in the 3-part video series of the top 30 winning products for this Q4. So if you haven't watched part number 1 and 2, I will leave a link over here and in the description. Go ahead and make sure you watch them. Now, just before we dive in straight to the content, I decided to give away a free consulting call. And to be able to win that, all you have to do is to like and comment this video, take a screenshot of your phone and send it to me by DM on my Instagram. Of course, you have to be subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram to be able to win this free consulting call. So in the next couple of videos, I'm going to announce who won the free consulting call. All right, without further ado, guys, let's dive straight into it. The electric vest. This product is extremely good to sell this time of the year when it's starting to be extremely cold, and this product can be extremely useful. That is definitely product that you cannot see every day. It has the wow factor. It's extremely unique. It has tons of orders on AliExpress. We chose this supplier over here because he's shipping both from China and from United States, so you will have both options. This product is being scaled right now as we speak, so make sure you hop in and take some of the profits. Now, selling this product because it really has the perceived value, we're going to sell it around 50 bucks. The buying price is going to be around 20 bucks, and we're looking at a total profit of $30. Now this one I was waiting to show you this one. I think that I already talked about this product in the past, and I was waiting till this time of the year in Q4 to show you this one because this one was crazy last year. Now this is a definitely product that you cannot see anywhere else. It has really high perceived value and the profit margins are great. Have a look on AliExpress. You can see it has tens of thousands of orders and it has extremely good reviews. Selling this product, we're going to sell it around 100 bucks. The buying price is going to be around $48, and we're looking at an estimated profit of around 52 bucks. The personalized sky map. This one is very unique product. You definitely can't see those kind of products all the time. Now, I saw this product last year doing extremely well. The idea is great. The idea is amazing. The product has a really high sentimental value, and people are going to look for those kind of unique gifts to give to their loved ones. Now, selling this product, we're going to sell it around $60. The buying price is going to be around $12.76, and we're going to profit almost 50 bucks, guys. That is absolutely amazing. The products that do have the really high sentimental value and you show those products at the right time to the right people, you can make a lot of money. Alright, the tutu skirt. Now this one was scaled so massively last year by multiple stores. I really wish that we could sell this product last year. I looked at the comments and the engagement and people were going crazy for this product. Something so simple, just like LED lights in the skirt. You have few little girls dancing around with this skirt and that's it. People are melting, people are going crazy, and the ones that were selling this product probably made serious cash last year. I don't know, maybe we're going to test out this product this year. Like the moms went crazy for this product last year. So the selling price is going to be around $30. The buying price is a little bit less than $6, and you look at a total profit of beautiful profit of $24.12. Alright, now this one is one of the coolest games that I've ever seen on Facebook. The idea is unbelievable. Now I'm sure that this product is going to go viral again this year. It went viral last year and there are people that are already selling this product right now. If this one doesn't have the wow factor, I don't know what does. It's going to be the perfect gift to give to somebody that has kids at home playing around during Christmas time. So definitely check out this product. Now the selling price is going to be around $50. The buying price is going to be a little bit less than 20, and we're looking at a total profit of almost 31 bucks. The fireworks diffuser. Now we do know that diffusers are extremely popular in the last few years. All this stuff of like essential oils, like people are going crazy with it. This can be an amazing gift for somebody that is interested in essential oils. Instead of having the boring diffuser, they can have the fireworks diffuser. And overall this product went extremely viral last year. Selling this product, we're going to sell it for $74.99. The buying price is going to be $25.25, and we're looking at a total profit of almost $50. The Fleece leggings. Now this is actually something that we try to scale after the Christmas leggings. We tried to use our pixel data to sell this one. We did some good sales, but we decided to go with a different product because it was kind of a little bit too late already. But this one is a definitely winning product, something in high demand right now. Just having a look on the orders on AliExpress, this product is selling like crazy. Even if you're going to be a little bit late for, let's say, Christmas, you're going to start a store, like, let's say within a month, and you will start scaling this product during Christmas time, you still have a couple more months to scale massively this product. So definitely a really good product to sell. The selling price, we're going to sell it around 35 bucks. The buying price is going to be at around 12 bucks, and we're looking at a total profit of almost 23 bucks.
Are you guys worried about feeling the cold this winter? Well, I have the perfect thing for you. This is the Hoodie.
So huge, I can keep my whole body warm.
It's lined with Sherpa fleece to keep you warm. It's basically just like the cold completely disappears.
This giant hood which keeps my ears warm, and it's got these big pockets for extra insulation. Another great thing about the Hoodie is that it's got these cuffs. I can still game, I can still text people, I can still use my computer.
So if you're a bit messy like me, you can just chuck it in the washing machine and bang, it's all clean. It also comes in a variety of designs.
The blanket hoodie. Now I personally really like this product. Now unfortunately I am in Mexico, so we don't really have winter over here, but if I were living in a colder place, I would definitely buy something like that. This one is an amazing product to sell at winter. It definitely has the wow factor. It's extremely unique. It has thousands of orders by multiple AliExpress sellers. It has been scaled by multiple stores in the past, and as a matter of fact, there are still stores that are selling this product right now and making some huge profit. Selling this product, we're going to sell it around $50. The buying price is going to be around $24, and the total profit is going to be around $26. Now this one was extremely popular, not only last year, also in the prior years. As you can see by this video, there are like sick videos about this product. Now I'm not sure if you know, but like grandmothers or mothers that are extremely passionate and like making the cookies for Christmas, they really want to have like badass cookies. So this one is a really good product to go with. Now a little downside of this product that it's a little bit heavy, but even with that it still has a good price. So if you were planning to sell really Christmas related products, that is by far one of the best products to sell. All right, the selling price for this product is going to be around $30. The cost of goods are going to be almost $10, and the total profit is going to be around $20. All right, the self-steering coffee mug. Now this one was huge this year. It was scaled not only on Facebook, it was scaled on Instagram mainly, and TikTok. This was huge on TikTok. Now this one can be a really great gift for somebody that really likes coffee like myself, or somebody that works in a cubicle office at his 9-to-5 job. It definitely has the wow factor. It has thousands of orders on AliExpress and good reviews. We know that there is a market for this product, so this time of the year that can be a really good product to sell. Now selling this product, we're going to sell it around $30. The buying price is going to be around $7.71, and our estimated profit is going to be around $22.
Am I impressed? I am blown away.
Alright, now this product has been around for a while. Just by looking at the orders on AliExpress, only this supplier has almost 7,000 orders. That is absolutely crazy. Now last year my agent actually told me that he was selling this product really well, and what better time to sell it right now. Overall beauty and health products are performing extremely well all the time, but this one actually looks extremely good as a gift. It solves a problem, it has really high engagement and really good content, so I will definitely recommend you to test out this product. Alright, for the selling price, we're going to sell it around $60. The buying price is going to be at $23, and we're looking at a profit of almost $37. Alright, so we know that drones are performing extremely well every time on Q4, so you definitely want to at least consider to sell a product like that. Now I made sure that I'm not going to just pick a random drone. This one is like small, almost like a fly, so this one really like caught my eye and really has the wow factor. It was scaled multiple times in the past, maybe not specifically this one, but the idea of selling drones, so this one is just like a unique way to tap into the market. It has really high perceived value. We know that electronics are not cheap, so you can make some really good profit on this product. We see people use drones in like movies, advertisements, traveling, fitness, so today people are really using those type of products. All right, so on AliExpress there are like different variations, so I just chose the one that really makes sense for me. So it's going to be the one with the highest quality camera and one battery with it, so it's going to be around $38. So the selling price is going to be around $97.99. We're going to buy it for $38.06, and we're looking at a great profit of almost $60. Now a quick upsell that you can do is just like upsell more batteries, so you can even make more money selling this product. So definitely recommend it to test out this product. All right guys, so there you go. Those are my top 30 winning products for Q4. It took us really a lot of time to go ahead and find those kind of products, so if you do appreciate that, make sure to smash this like button and of course subscribe to the channel. Please do me this one favor, do not miss out. Start taking action. Stop Stop watching just videos thinking about, oh, maybe people are selling it already, oh, maybe it's not going to work. Start taking action. All the products that I gave you, they are proven to be working products. So stop being lazy, stop procrastinating, take action. You have the products, you have the video ads, you have the AliExpress supplier, so go ahead and test out those products. Don't wait until the next year and say, oh, I'm going to have like a New Year's resolution. Have it right now. Make money this time of the year. All right, people, I hope you appreciate this video. If you did, again, make sure to smash the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, my friends, peace.